fertility consultant at Ziva Fertility Center, Noida. So, today we'll discuss top 3 causes of male infertility. For understanding what are the causes, first we'll understand what is infertility. So, infertility is a problem when a couple is trying for conception by unprotected, regular unprotected intercourse for 1 year and still they are not able to conceive. So, this is infertility. Now, we can assess that in current times, approximately 1 in 10 couples are affected with infertility globally. So, it can be because of male reasons or female reasons. Sometimes both the partners may be having some problems. So, first we'll discuss today what are the major causes by which male infertility is seen and how it is assessed. So, in male assessment, we do semen analysis of the patient, and there are certain parameters which are checked in the semen analysis. These parameters are importantly 3 parameters. One is sperm count, then second is sperm motility, and the third is sperm morphology. The count is the number of sperms which are visible in one high power field of microscope. Then motility is, there are 3 types of motility. It is either the sperms are immotile, or they are slowly progressive, or they are progressively fast progressive. So, the important motility is those sperms which are moving forward and motile. So, that is known as forward progressive motility. So, and the third parameter which is assessed is morphology of the sperm, that is the structure of the sperm, it is normal or it is abnormal. So, these are the 3 parameters which are assessed in semen analysis, and according to these parameters it is assessed whether a couple is having any problem or not. So, according to WHO criteria, sperm count more than 39 million is the normal requirement. Like motility is equal to or more than 42%, and morphology should be more than 4% normal sperms. So, these are the normal criteria of the sperm which are to be present if a couple needs to be fertile. So, now we will discuss what are the important 3 reasons which results in male infertility. So, first reason is by these causes we can just know whether these sperm issues are affected or not. So, the common reasons which are there in whenever a patient is coming to a fertility clinic, we can assess which are the major causes which are commonly seen in the males which results in sperm problems. So, first is varicocele. Varicocele is a disease in which the veins of scrotum, they become engorged. That just like varicose veins in legs, it is the same thing which is seen in the scrotum, that is the bags of the testes. When these veins become engorged, it results in defective sperm production. So, because of this, the patient may be having some defect in sperm quality and count while we do the semen analysis. In many cases, if a patient is having varicocele, then also the patient might not be having any symptom. So, if a couple is going to a fertility clinic and the male is come to know that there is some problem in semen number or motility or morphology, then the male is subjected for a physical examination by a doctor, so that we will come to know whether that male is having varicocele or not. If varicocele is there, then sometimes ultrasound is also done, and then we diagnose whether it is there or not, and by some surgical methods this varicocele is corrected. So, this is the important cause when male infertility is seen. Then second reason which is commonly seen is because of lifestyle factors and certain medications or drugs which males are taking. Like if you are a smoker, if you are a heavy smoker, or even so occasionally if you are smoking, then definitely smoking affects the sperm quality as well as quantity. Both the things are affected by smoking. Then alcohol abuse also is a parameter which is resulting in certain disturbances in sperm quality. But if you are a regular alcohol taker, like daily you are taking alcohol, then it is affecting. Occasional use of alcohol does not affect so much, but definitely smoking is a major having a major impact on sperm quality as well as quantity. And we see sometimes, like some sports person or some gym goers, they take some anabolic steroids for increasing the muscle strength. These anabolic steroids, they hamper a lot, and they have an effect on sperm count as well as on motility and morphology, all the three parameters. So if you are taking these things, then you should avoid. And once they stop using these things, then definitely we have seen so much improvement in the sperm quality. Now the third important reason which affects male infertility is male fertility is sometimes there is problem while intercourse, like males have erectile dysfunction. In these cases, the couple, when visits the doctor, they know that they have that problem, and they are little hesitant to visit the doctor for these problems. But erectile dysfunction is a treatable cause, and sometimes with minor medications this erectile dysfunction is treated. Even if after medications also it is not treated, then there are certain options which can be helpful in these couples, like we can do an IUI or and help the couple to conceive. Another problem is retrograde ejaculation, which we see. In this, while intercourse, the semen is not ejected outside, it goes inside the urinary bladder, because of which the semen is not injected inside the vagina, and because of which the female is not able to conceive. There are certain procedures by which we can treat all these causes. So if you are feeling this problem is there, then you should either correct your smoking or your drug intake, or if you are having these problems while intercourse, then you should visit your doctor, and these are treatable causes of male infertility. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe to the channel. There are other videos also to help out, and if you have any queries regarding this, you can just post in the comment box. We will try to solve it out. Thank you.